Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today amazing assignment is plants and surviving, plants living and surviving. And first exercise is identify the plants or trees, name them and write where does these plants or trees found. And here we have given help box. In the help box there are plants names and in another box place found in, where these plants we can find. So, we have to write these names here, name of the tree and area found in. Here we have to write those names. Now, let us see first picture. The name of this picture is pine. Name of this picture is pine. And this tree we can find in cold hilly areas. Where we can find this plant? Cold, hilly areas. Cold, hilly areas. And another picture, name of the picture is, name of this plant is cactus. 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 And where we can find this picture, this plant, and we can find these plants in deserts. The area found in is deserts. We can find these pictures in deserts. These plants will grow in deserts. Now let us see another picture. The name of this plant is mangroves. 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 These plants will grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas are nothing but more, it is not water bodies, it is not land. Both will be mixedly. That is called marshy areas. Marshy areas. Next picture is banyan tree. We can see in our surroundings also this tree, banyan tree. Excuse me. Banyan tree. And we can find these trees in plains. Plains. In plains we can find these trees. And next one, see, colorful plant, that is colorful tree. It gives more flowers, red color flowers. The name of this tree is gulmohar. Gulmohar. And where we can find these trees, you know, these trees also we can find in plains. Plains. Let us go to next picture. The name of this plant is lotus. What is it? Lotus. This also very colorful in the water. And where we can find this type of trees or plants or water bodies, in water bodies. These plants also called as aquatic plants. Water bodies. Water bodies. Water bodies. Next, the name of this tree is date palm. This plant is date palm. Date palm. Date palm. And the area where we can find these plants or these trees are in deserts. We can find these trees in deserts. Deserts. Next, Name of the plant is duckweed. Duckweed. We can find these plants. Duckweed. We can find these plants in water. These also aquatic plants. Duckweed also aquatic plant. It lives in water. So, water bodies. Water bodies. So, this is about our amazing assignment, today's amazing assignment. Thank you.